All aboard for another Dollar Tree train featuring spring deals. So stay tuned to this intro to see who's on the train, and I'll be right back. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room, and as is Dexter and Bandit. I just wanted to hop on and do my Dollar Tree train collab video. So if you're familiar with this, welcome back. If this is new to you, welcome so much. We hope that you enjoy our hauls, and we have a lot of fun putting them together. Miss Jackie Russell puts together this group and comes up with a theme, and then we just go off to different areas of the country where we live, and we get 10 items around that theme. So this time around, it was spring deals. So that could be anything. It could be Easter things. It could be spring things, whatever it is, however you want to interpret that. And this is a way to show you what Dollar Trees across the country have. And this time around, if you saw in the intro and you're familiar with them, we have the Loving Klutzes, and they're from Canada. So they don't have a Dollar Tree, they have a DollarRama. And so she's going to be showing you things from their DollarRama, which is similar to our Dollar Tree here. We ask that you rate each of us from 1 to 10. That's not a competition, but it's looking, or you could actually, I'm going to say 0 to 10. And that's saying 0, I like 0 of your items, 10 being I liked every single item. You can go anywhere in between, but it's just for fun. It's not a competition for any of us, just kind of to let us know how on track we are with your tastes. Each of us does have our own subscriber give back. In order to be eligible, you must be subscribed publicly to every channel in the collab. So that means you have to have a public profile, because when I pick my winner, I need to check all of the other ladies to see if you're subscribed to them. And the only way to do that is to go to your comment. So you must comment and give a like to everyone who's in this collab. You must be 18 or over or have permission from an adult. For me, I do a Dollar Tree gift card for $15. So you just need to live somewhere where you can use that. I'll mail it anywhere, but you're not going to be able to use it if there's no Dollar Tree near you. You do have to tell me in the comments that you are subscribed and left a comment for everybody in whatever words you want. But that way I know that you understand the rules. And this is not sponsored by YouTube or Dollar Tree. This is simply from me to you for a thank you. All right, so let's get into it. What did I get? So spring's coming, and to me, that means it's planting time. So I did my theme around my summer garden. So I started off with this. Everything I purchased was either $1.50 or I got some 50-cent items. So I took 6 of those, put them together as $1.50 item, but nothing was above $1.50. So we have these seed starter plant pots, and you get 12 of them. And these are great because you don't have to remove the seeds. You can just pop them right into your garden wherever you do that. We do planter gardens for now until we buy our new house, which will be hopefully in the fall. But until then, we do planter gardens. That way we can take things with us if we want to. And we don't really have the space here to do that. And at my house, the dogs would just tear it up. All right, so item number 1. Item number 2, these were 50 cents each, so 6 of them equaled $10. $10. 6 of them equaled $1.50. And that's your seeds, okay? So I have parsley, oregano, basil, hot peppers, cucumbers, and regular peppers. So, you know, I'll start these in these plants. I also get those little, like containers with the plastic cover so that the water goes into there, and so that, you know, the condensation builds up and it helps with the growing. But I don't start those until a little bit later, and they don't have the big ones there. I have to get them in another place. And then next, I thought this was super cute and just a cute little planter. Want to jazz up your garden, so I got this. It's got little bells to hang outside and little bumblebees. This cute little guy sticks right in the ground and will spin with the wind. Some cute little lights that could go in the garden if you wanted them to. You just want to pull them out whenever it's going to rain because they are battery powered. I will probably just have these inside, but you could put them outside if you wanted to. Just, again, battery powered, bring it in if it's going to be raining. If you're doing potted plants, it's always good to have something to be able to keep them nice and watered. So with this, you're going to put the water in here, and then that's going to just slowly disperse it into the plant. And then you just fill this little guy up and you're good to go. I got this to put, we do have a raised bed, concrete raised bed with flowers, and I thought this would look really nice just sitting in there. Then my last 2 items, we have this flag hanger, which was $1.50, and this flag. So they had a variety, but I liked this one that just says Hello Spring. And it's supposed to be in the high 60s to 70s here on Sunday, which will be not tomorrow. Tomorrow when you're watching this. I'm filming this on Thursday. So when you're watching this, that will be tomorrow. We're going to get some really nice weather. So it might be time to welcome spring. I just thought that was pretty, but they had all different ones. Okay, that is my 10 items. So what'd you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Again, make sure that you are publicly subscribed to everybody in the collab. Give everybody a little bit of love. Say hi to them, whatever it is. If you want to participate in their giveaways or give backs, whatever they're calling them, follow their rules. You can only win from one of us. So if you win from me, you can't win from someone else. So if you're like, hey, I can't use a $15 gift card, but this one's giving away this, you can just tell me you're just here for support or whatever it is you want to say, or don't tell me that you're sub to everyone. Whatever it is that you want to say, but I do, in order to know that you want to participate, tell me that you are subscribed to everyone, sub to all, comment at all, whatever it is, however you want to say it, down in those comments, so that if your name is chosen and I see that in there, I know I'm going to look to see if you are subscribed and commented on everybody's video. All right, well, that's all I have. I'm getting ready for spring. I'm getting ready for planting. What are you guys doing to get ready for spring? Let me know in those comments down below as well. And make sure you're hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.